Good morning, guys. It is Mitch from LFT. Live for today, back for another video. As you can see, we are out here sitting on the flats. We are going to be doing some fishing. I brought some cut dead bait, some threadfin herrings. I brought 2 rods, 4,000 size, 2,000 size, and then also we brought the bow. So there's been a lot of mowing, a lot of stingrays. So hopefully we can get some bait, we can get some shark fishing bait, and we can make it happen. I want to say thanks to you guys for showing the support, watching our videos. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post new content. That being said, let's do it. We do have some cut threadfin herrings we're going to be throwing out on this rod just to have some kind of dead bait out. So just saw a small little bonnethead. I've got, where is it? I've got a small little swim bait. Obviously I've got the bow. I'm gonna be walking back and forth looking for stingray mullet while this rod's sitting right here and the kayak is kind of makeshift anchored like that. But I want to show you guys how we're setting this up. All I'm gonna do is put a small little pinch weight on this rod. Got a small little circle hook. This is, I think, 20-pound 4.0. All right, guys, here is our rod we're gonna be using. Let's see if I can see that. 2,000 size pen, Sargus spooled with 15-pound Field and Stream braid. We're going to be using a small little 2/0 circle hook, and we're just going to throw a small split shot on this leader, and that's it. That's it. You guys will be able to see this rod when it starts going bananas. The reason we are trying to stay on the sandy area is because the contrast between the fish we're looking for and the bottom is a lot better. So if you can, stingrays are a lot darker in color, and so you see them on sandy bottom as long as they're not hidden under the sand. The same goes for mullet. It is really windy out today, which really doesn't help. We'll see what we can find. Right there, big school moving across the flat. Look at them fly. Oh, look at him go! Oh, look at this. Look, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this from here. Something really big busted. Way over there. There we go, guys. Nice, beautiful snook, absolutely beautiful. 22-inch snook. All right, we're gonna let this beauty go. Absolutely beautiful snook. That is what it's all about right there. I'm pretty stoked about that. It wasn't a super big snook. As you can see, it's about 21, 22 inches, but it was effortless, honestly. Showed you guys exactly what we were using, and we were able to get a nice little fish. First one of the day. Hopefully we can get some more. Stay tuned. Hook set, whatever it is. It's pulling pretty decent for its size. And it's on. All right, let's take care of this. Not sure what it is yet, but I'm about to get that hook set. And we're on. Oh, you bumped off. Simple up this. Tide's starting to go slack. Wind's backing off just a tiny bit, but the big thing is the tide's about to go slack. It might shut off the bite. The cool thing about that, though, is everything's going to be snook right there. Look at this. Snook right there. Oh no! That was so cool. Oh, we're getting hit. The snooker on it. That's a school of snook right there. There he is. Lots of catfish. That's funny. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, be free, little guy. It's Snook. Baby Snook, man. Came right up to the boat and grabbed that. That is the... No! Oh, you little bastard. Considering the red tide, we had a lot of juvenile snook in the area, which is really cool to see. Here we go, guys, right here. Use the minnow. About to hit my cut bait. I saw them. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. Let me in, yeah. That's another one. Ah, there it is. Number 3. All about the same size. Oh. I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. It's our 3rd snook we actually landed. We're gonna let this beauty go. Thanks, buddy. So sick. So I'm dumping out my bait. Look at these snook right here. Watch this. Look, they're just sitting right there. Get it. Come on, get it. You know you want to. Get them moving in on them. Got them. I could sit here and catch these all day. I really could. Sometimes it is that easy, and I really want to preface that for you guys, because look at that. Anyone can do this. I'm just sitting here pitching baits and they're eating them like it's going out of style. Freaking love it. But it's time for me to go. I've had a little too much sun, don't have any sunscreen, so throw out the rest of my bait, feed the fishies, and so far it's been a great day. That's gonna pretty much wrap it up today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to get out on the kayak, do some fishing. I was really hoping to do some bow fishing, as I told you earlier, but man, the snook were chewing, and we got them. Showed you guys exactly what we were using. Small little, small 2/0 circle hook, paired with anywhere from 10 to 20 pound fluorocarbon leader, and then just some cut thread fins. That was it. That simple, that easy. Sometimes it's that easy. Appreciate you guys watching and making it to the end of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. If I can do this, guys, there's no reason you guys can't either. That being said, don't forget to live for today.